Huh?
I watch your videos all the time.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you never.
No.
I hit like every time.
Dang, man, I appreciate that.
You want to know the craziest part about all the drinks that I show you guys on this channel? It's that mainly the drinks that I show you are drinks that I'm personally creating, and then I test them out by giving them to customers for free. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, why are you giving these away for free? They look amazing. Make some money. But see, it's not all about the money when you're just having fun doing what you do best. And see, the best part about today's video is that I would like to share with you the top 5 Alani drinks that we made this February season at our coffee shop. And starting it off with a heavy hitter by mixing vanilla salt, Da Vinci's Blue Carousel, and lemon, using the Blue Slush Alani as the base, and then contributing a lemon cold foam on top. Bro, at this point, you just need to give me an award, because I did not see anyone else create a mix like this. But I am seeing a lot of recreations of the Dirty Alani, and I love it. I love what you guys are doing out there. But I just need you to recreate this. And I am seeing a lot of questions arise about what type of creamer you should be using when you're creating a cold foam. But mostly, guys, you can use whatever combination of dairy products you see fit to match your drink. But I like to use half and half because I can control the consistency, the flavor, and everything else. When you get a store-bought one, you can't control all of those factors, okay? It may not separate as much with a store-bought one, but it won't sit like this. Now, moving on to the number 2 drink, I wanted to create a pink cherry passion fruit Dirty Alani. Now, as you can see, I was having too much fun and entered way too much ice, but I did that intentionally, okay? Don't be mad at me. But by combining cherry slush Alani, pink slush Alani, and passion fruit from Tirani, splashing on the top of half and half with your overly dosed iced drink, you're going to have an amazing time when you're stirring these up, and you're going to have an amazing time when you taste it. Now, the number 3 drink might have been the sneakiest combination of flavors, because cherry twist mixing it with strawberry and prickly pear. Man, at this point, I think you're starting to understand now the different level of altitude that I'm really trying to lift you to when it comes to a different taste factor when you taste in these drinks. Because when you froth your 2 ounces of half and half, it's going to expand a little bit, and it's going to get to around 4 ounces in your cup. But then you're going to add the prickly pear and continue that mix, and then you're going to elegantly pour it on top like this. You're going to create a masterpiece, and everyone is going to fall in love with you, okay? Be careful. Now, moving on to the number 4 drink, at this point, you can see that I am continuing to have fun, because I am mixing 2 different Alanis now and adding an orange flavor from Da Vinci. Topping that off with whipped cream. You're crazy, okay? You may think that this is crazy, but the customer that I gave this drink to wanted me to recreate it. Now, last but not least, I'm going to be using the watermelon wave, and by far this one may have been my personal favorite, but I'm going to be contributing green apple and pineapple into the cup, and then I'm going to top it off with some ice, and then I'm going to roughly enter around 8 ounces of that watermelon wave, and it's going to sit like this. Splash another 1/4 ounce of pineapple for color correction, and then you're going to top it off with the half and half. Mix that thoroughly, okay? At least 15 seconds. Top it with your favorite whipped cream, and then you're going to hit the follow and the like button so you can see more drinks like this.